To change your age on TikTok, follow these steps since TikTok doesn't provide a direct option to modify your birth date in the app settings. Start by opening the TikTok app and tapping the profile icon at the bottom left to access your profile. Then, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and select the Report a Problem option. In the menu that appears, choose Account and Profile. Next, tap on the Editing Profile section. Since there's no birthday option here, scroll down to the bottom and select Need More Help. This will open a form where you can write a message to TikTok's support team. In your message, explain that you need to change your birth date because it is incorrect and offer to provide your ID card if necessary. For example, you can write, "I need to change my birth date because my current one is incorrect. I can provide my ID card if required." After submitting your report, TikTok's support team will contact you within a day or two. They may ask for further verification, but once verified, they will help you update your age on TikTok.